Hi friends, welcome back. We are off to yet another trek. This time we are going to Shivling waterfall. It's in Pali area, Sattari Taluka, the city of Valpoi. So over Amona river into the forest area. The blessing of Sattari temple. It's time to start the trek. Beautiful atmosphere, all greenery spread around as we are in Mahadei wildlife sanctuary. Little briefing before the trek starts. The counting of the participants a must for newcomer or even a pro trekker. Here all the required information about the trek is given. As we start our trek, we enter Mahadei Wildlife Sanctuary with our local guide. I like to mention that it is always very important to hire a local guide from that village or from that area because they know in and out of that place. So many trekkers sometimes make this mistake. They don't hire a local guide, local person who knows about that, the ways, the in and out of that area. It was raining heavily and my camera, somehow I managed to capture the footage. So if there is any problem in between, kindly bear with me because it was raining heavily and I've had to hold one umbrella in my hand and one other hand I had to hold the camera. As we crossed the small streams, it was an enjoyable movement for the people to cross the stream. It was not very deep, nor the current was very high or fast, so it was very easy crossing. The level of this trek was very easy. It is beginner level trek. It was really tough to capture as well as do the trek, but it was altogether fun. As we enter the fields, the trek was organized by GTDC, their monsoon series trek. This is 6th trek they are organizing and I am attending the 6th trek organized by Goa Tourism Development Corporation. Even the kids had good time. As we enter the jungle, it was really fun. People loved it. It was really a picturesque view from the top of the mountain which we climbed, and it was fairly easy climb as the people one by one come up. The trek was a little bit slippery as in monsoon. The beautiful part was that we were in deep jungle. trail was very easy. Okay, as I've said, this is beginner level trek. So this was the first part of the trek. The trek was around 4 kilometers one way. Finally we reached the spot, shivling waterfall. You can see the stone is shaped like shivling, so nothing to do with religious thing. It was nice trek, people enjoyed there, and this is a shelter taken by animal during rainy season. Problem sometimes happen when the bus tire got stuck, but there was no problem. There were a lot of trackers to push it out, and the things were easy, and we started our journey back. And at this point I got a two-wheeler ride from one of the local, and had lots of fun on two-wheeler because I love two-wheeler. So I was in front and the bus was following behind, and time to go off-roading. Had a wonderful time, met new friends, had very good village food. It's a time to go home. Here are my previous videos on the tracks, different tracks. Please watch it. Please comment below. Please subscribe to my channel if you are still not subscribed to my channel. You have to do it only once. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great time. See you again.